After losing his wealth, children, and health, Job fell to the ground in worship. He continued to praise God even in suffering. Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into one of the most remarkable stories from the ancient texts, the story of Job. Buckle up, because this tale of unbreakable faith and resilience will leave you in awe. Job was a man who had it all. He was blameless, upright, and feared God. He had 7,000 sheep, 3,000 camels, 500 yoke of oxen, 500 donkeys, and countless servants. He was the greatest of all the people of the East, and had a big, loving family with 7 sons and 3 daughters. But then, everything changed. Satan challenged God, claiming that Job's piety was only because of God's protection. So, God allowed Satan to test Job, but not to harm him physically. Suddenly, disaster struck. Sabaeans stole his oxen and servants. Fire from heaven burned up his sheep and more servants. Chaldeans raided and stole his camels, and a mighty wind collapsed his eldest son's house, killing all his children. Yet, in the face of these immense tragedies, Job did not curse God. Instead, he tore his robe, shaved his head, and worshipped, saying, "The Lord gave, and the Lord has taken away. May the name of the Lord be praised." But Satan wasn't done. He argued that if Job suffered physical pain, he'd curse God. So God allowed Satan to afflict Job with painful sores. Even then, when Job's wife urged him to curse God and die, Job refused. Enter Job's friends, Eliphaz, Bildad, and Zophar. They came to comfort him, but ended up accusing him of sinning. But Job stood his ground, maintaining his innocence and questioning God's justice. Amid his suffering, Job expressed his unwavering faith, believing that even if he died, his Redeemer lived. Then, God spoke to Job out of a whirlwind. He questioned Job's understanding of creation, emphasizing his own wisdom and power. God described Behemoth and Leviathan, mighty creatures showing his control over nature. Realizing his limited understanding, Job humbled himself before God. And then the turnaround. God rebuked Job's friends and restored Job's fortunes twofold. Job received 14,000 sheep, 6,000 camels, 1,000 yoke of oxen, 1,000 donkeys, 7 sons, and 3 daughters, Jemimah, Keziah, and Karen-Happuch. Job lived another 140 years and saw his descendants to the 4th generation. The story of Job teaches us about faith, resilience, and humility in the face of unimaginable hardships. It's a powerful reminder that even in our darkest moments, hope and faith can light the way. Thanks for watching. If you found this story inspiring, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Your support through memberships and patrons helps us bring more incredible stories to life. Until next time, stay curious and keep the faith.